Hello food lovers, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share a delicious and nourishing dish, chicken vegetable plantain porridge. This meal is packed with a rich flavor, soft plantain, healthy vegetable and tender fried chicken. The addition of red palm oil give it a vibrant color and enhance the taste. If you love hearty and satisfying meal, this recipe is perfect for you. Let's get cooking. Prepare all your ingredients. Step by step instruction for to boil the chicken. I will cut the chicken into small pieces. In a pot, I will add the chicken, seasoning cube, salt, curry powder, chopped onion powder, nutmeg, and thyme. I will add water and let it cook until the chicken is tender. Once the chicken is fully cooked, I will leave the broth in the pot. I will not remove it. Then I will take out the chicken from the broth and fry until golden brown. Then I will set it aside. To cook the plantain, I will peel and cut the plantain into small pieces. I will add them directly into the pot with the remaining chicken broth. I will blend and add the sauce. I will blend the tomatoes and the pepper. Then pour the blended mixture into the pot with the plantain and broth. Then I will stir, let it cook for some minutes, like about 4 to 5 minutes, to allow the flavor to combine. Then once the plantain are well cooked, I will add about 2 to 3 spoons of red palm oil. Then stir and allow it to cook for a few minutes so the oil blend into the porridge. Then I will add the spinach and mix. I will allow it to simmer for a few more minutes until the spinach is tender. Lastly, I will add the fried chicken back into the pot, stir everything together and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And that is it. Our chicken vegetable plantain porridge is ready to be enjoyed. The red palm oil give it a rich color, and the chicken adds a delicious flavor to every bite. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to give it a try. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment and share with your friends. And thanks for watching, and don't also forget to subscribe, like and follow my page on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok at NK Joyce Kitchen. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.